Hello, this is Deb with Phenomenal Flowers. Today I'm just going to put some cups together. I have 8 cups. Really, truly, I had a bunch of pumpkins that I wanted to use. So I decided to just put some tea in some cups and put the pumpkins on top for decorations. So here we go. This is a journal that I use all the time, and this is just a little shortcut trick that I learned. Probably already know it, but in case you don't remember or recall, if you're trying to cut like a piece of ribbon or anything a certain length and you need multiples of it, what you can do is just wrap it around a book if it's small, a journal, wrap it around a box, your arm, anything to get the lengths to be consistent. Then you don't have to keep pulling it and pulling it and pulling it. Then you just go to the end and cut, and then go to the other end and cut. Or if you need it really long, just go to one end and cut, and it'll make it double the length. And it'll save you time, especially if you're doing multiple items and you want consistency in your ribbon. It's just a little tip. This is also the last day of the Couch Chronicles. My husband will be home tomorrow, and I can't be all over the house. So if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. These are 8 cups. I really like the pattern on the cups. They are paper, but they're very nice. The pack of 8 was $2.49. And a little bit, probably in the beginning of the video, you saw where I took these and just wrapped them around a notebook so I can make some little ties to tie the top of the bags. There's 8 bags. I'm sorry, there's 8 cups. So I did 16 ties. Tie the cup up with. I used blue because I have some tea. I'm not sure if I want to use a probiotic tea or not. I do have another tea. The other tea is prettier, so even though it doesn't match, I'll probably use this tea. This tea is purple. I have some purple ribbon. I'm going to switch to the purple ribbon. I'll be back. Okay, the decision has been made for me. This tea, the other tea expired already, so can't be doing anything with that. And this tea, the other reason I really like this one better is because they don't expire until 5/27, which is one point. But the other point that I like about it so much is that each one has the directions specifically on the back. You don't have to use the box. Also, the expiration date is on each bag of tea. So I'm going to put it together. I have these strings that are, I have white also, and I thought it brought out a really good tone in the cups. I'm going to use the tags to hang around it. I noticed that Miss Claudia had used tags. So I was like, Debbie, you have 100 million tags, so you need to start using them. You need to implement all these things that you see the other people do that makes them so special is their attention to detail. There's hundreds out there. I probably only follow 10%, but I'm going to keep following, and I'm going to get my creative groove back. Okay, so what I did here, it was a box that I had gotten from Michael's that was a $10 box. It had these fall leaves inside, so I took a hole punch and punched out the largest ones, and I'm going to run them through here and let that hang off the cup. Okay, this is the next step. What I did was I took the little tie and doubled it around, because if I didn't, the embellishment would hang down too far. There we go. That's how the embellishment hangs. And they're not all the same. I'm just going to put one large one and maybe one small one on each one until I get the cups finished. This is a photo of them all together. 4 have the fall ties and the other 4 do not. Originally, I put this concept together to utilize some pumpkins that I have. Not sure what I'm going to do with the pumpkins. I might just put the pumpkins in a bag and just charge $1 for 2 pumpkins. Only paid $3 for like 30 pumpkins. So this is really cute. It's probably just going to be $3 or $4. I was reading that you should have something very low price to help bring people in And when I did these last year for Christmas, I sold them for $4 with hot chocolate. I made 8, the same as this year. And I had one lady bought all 8 because she was having a hot chocolate party and she gave it for door prizes. So you never know what a person might want. Just do your best and have fun. Thanks for watching. Thanks so very, very much for watching. You have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.